Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 9.1 question number 3. So what is given in this question? A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, he prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of slide in each case? So what is given in this question? A contractor wants to make 2 slides, one for the younger and one for the elder children. So for the younger children, the slide should not be very much steep, so the angle of elevation must be smaller than the angle of elevation for the slide for the elder children. So what will I do? According to that, the height of the top of the slide and the foot will be AB. It will be 1.5 meter and angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now we have to calculate the height of the length of the slide. So what will be the length of the slide? Now we have to calculate the length of the slide, means this AC, and what is given? AB, means P is given, and H we have to calculate. If we are comparing it with the formula sin cos tan P upon H, B upon H and P upon B. So we are dealing about only P and H. So P and H comes under the sine. So I will take AB upon AC as sine 30 degree. So what is the value of AB? AB is 1.5 meter. AC we have to calculate equals to sine 30. As go in the table, sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We have done this table in the exercise 8.2. So 1.5 upon AC equal to 1 upon 2. Now do the cross multiplication. 1.5 multiplied by 2 and AC multiplied by 1. We are getting the value of AC equals to 3 meter. So that was the slide. That was the height of the slide for the length of the slide for younger children. Now I have to calculate the length of the slide for elder children. So what will I do? I will according to the contractor, angle of elevation must be 60 degree and the height of the slide must be 3 meter. So PQ and PR, again we will use the same formula, P upon H. P upon H comes in the sine 60. So it will be PQ upon PR. PQ is given as 3 and PR we have to calculate. Sine 60 now comes in the formula again. This is the sine line and 60 is root 3 by 2. So we will substitute the value here. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So PR, after doing the cross multiplication, 2 goes on this side, PR goes on this side. It will become 6 upon root 3. After doing the rationalization, I am getting the value as 2 root 3. So I am having the length of each slide for younger and for the elder children. That is 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter. That was my question number 3. Now I am moving towards the question number 4. So what is given in the question number 4? That is a very easy question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So what is given in this question? This is the tower. AB is a tower and we have to calculate the value of AB when, what are they saying? BC means foot of the tower. This is B is the foot of the tower and a point on the ground that is 30 meter away, means this distance BC is given as 30 meter and angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. What is the meaning of angle of elevation? When a person stands here at the point C and he looks at the top of the tower and the angle will be 30 degree, so that will be angle of elevation AB over. Now what will I do? We have to calculate AB means perpendicular and BC is given. So P upon B comes under the tan. So AB upon BC equal to tan 30. So AB upon 30. BC is given as 30. So 30 equals to tan 30. Now comes in the table. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Substitute the value here. Take 30 take 30 in the numerator. It will be multiplied by 1 and we are getting 30 by root 3. As we know, root 3 is unstable here. So what will I do? I will do the rationalization. It will become 30 root 3 by 3. After cancelling, I am getting the value of 10 as 10 root 3. So the height of the tower will be 10 root 3 meter. So if the value of root 3 is given, then we have to multiply, otherwise there is no need, leave the answer with the root 3 only. Now I am moving toward my question number 5. It's also a very easy question. What is given in this question? Look at the statement. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. What is the meaning of slack? Somewhere you find that the string become very messy. That is called the slack in the string. It increases the length of the string. So they are giving us the condition that there is no any slack in the string. So what is the question? A kite is flying at a height. K is the kite and it is flying at a height of 60 meter, means that distance is given and it is attached with this string. Kp is the length of the string. And I have to calculate this length, means Kp we have to calculate it, and Kl is given, means P is given, H we have to calculate. Again P upon H is sine. So this P 60 upon Kp equals to sine 60 degree. Now now look at the table again. Sine, this sine, and 60 is root 3 by 2. Substitute the value here, root 3 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. 60 multiplied by 2 is 120 and Kp comes here, root 3 goes in the denominator, 120 by root 3. Again root 3 is irrational number and it becomes that fraction becomes unstable. So what will I do? After doing the rationalization, I am getting the value as 40 root 3 meter. So that is the answer of this question. At the last we will declare, therefore the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Thank you very much.